Sometimes you're in an area where the Wi-Fi isn't particularly good, and with the advent of USB-C pretty much only inputs into laptops, I picked up a USB-C to Ethernet adapter. Kind of too bad that you have to pick up a bunch of dongles these days, but it does help. One of the better reviewed ones was the UBI Ethernet adapter, which can send speeds up to 1 gigabyte per second, which is plenty fast for most needs. That should cover up to fiber internet. They give you a little bag in the box, and there's the adapter itself with a braided cord, which helps. I have some other UB equipment, and it is pretty nice having the braided cord. It keeps things from kinking and ripping. So just to give an example for setup, I'm going to plug the adapter in. Here's an Ethernet cable. Just plug that one in as well. And there's a light on each side, which should let you know that it's connected to the internet. I'll show you a close-up of that. The green light will mean that it's on, and then if you look at the bottom, there's a little yellow button blinking, which will show the data transfer.